I am Dr. Tahir Nizami and welcome to practical session of instrumental method of analysis practical part. Now in our syllabus there are around 13 to 14 practicals which we have to perform. Among them the first practical is uh, the determination of solvent cutoff of the different solvent by UV visible spectrophotometry. As you can see that this is our Shimadzu UV 1800. It is double beam UV spectrophotometer, and in this instrument we will perform our all practicals which are given in our syllabus. Now in today's practical we have to determine the solvent cutoff. What is solvent cutoff? Solvent cutoff is the value which gives the absorbance of solvent. So if we are analyzing any drug or any substance, we will have a sharp peak of that drug, and there may be chances of some peaks of solvents also. So to neglify the solvent peak and to identify the peak of solvent and to separate the solvent peak from the drug peak, we have to perform this practical. We have to know the lambda max of that particular solvent, and this can be done by taking water as a reference. In this practical we will take distilled water as a reference solvent, and in distilled water we will first make the baseline correction, and after distilled water we will take some different solvents like methanol, ethanol, benzene, carbon tetrachloride, etc. Now the first part I want to see that the different types of mode which are present in UV spectrophotometer. Number one mode is photometric mode. Number two is spectrum mode. Number three is quantitation mode. Number four is kinetic mode, time scan mode, multi-component mode, biomethods, and utilities. Among these 8 parameters, today we will work on spectrum mode. Let us see how this works. First of all, we have to open the box of UV cabinet, and these are the cuvettes. These are called cuvettes. Now there are two pairs of cuvettes. One pair is for reference. I fill with water, since we are taking water as a standard. So I fill this cuvette with water, and I put this cuvette into the one chamber of UV spectrophotometry. In test sample also I will take water. This is water, and I put in test sample, and I close the box. Now after closing the box, we have to go to spectrum mode. Since spectrum mode is in 2 point, so I will like 2 point, and here is the details of spectrum mode. This is the calibration range. This is absorbance mode. This is from 200 to 400 nanometer, and I will start the scan. First I will give the baseline correction. So in baseline correction 200 to 400 all lambda max are in baseline correction. The range between all UV wavelength, that is 200 to 400, is auto zero by the water. That is, water will not show absorbance anymore now. Then now this is completed. You can see the baseline correction of water has been done. Now we will take up the test part, and we will replace it with our first solvent, of which solvent cutoff is we want to determine. So this is my first solvent. This is ethanol. So I put this ethanol in this box, and you can see now we can take the graph of this ethanol, and we can determine the now this you can see we have started the graph of ethanol, so that we will find some lambda max of ethanol against water. This is against water. Now after this ethanol I will take some other solvent, like I will take chloroform, like benzene, kaolin, carbon tetrachloride, etc. So in this practical we can determine. Now you can see the graph. Please you can see the graph now. This graph is showing the absorbance of ethanol against water. Water is in standard and ethanol is in test. So this graph is increasing. That means our ethanol is absorbing, and absorbing the wavelength. And these peaks show that this is the lambda max. This is the lambda max of ethanol, and we can easily determine the lambda max of ethanol. After completion of this graph, we can determine the lambda max of ethanol. So lambda max of ethanol can be determined after completion of this range, that is from 400 to 200. Now this is completed. Now we will go for data processing, and in data processing we have option four operations: derivative, peak, area. So we go for peak. So these are the lambda max and these are the absorbance. So highest absorbance is shown by at 0.8586. So 0.8586 is the highest absorbance, and it is corresponding to wavelength 219. So this means that ethanol have wavelength of 219 nanometer. It is taken against water. If I remove this ethanol, and if I put some other solvent, for example, now I am taking benzene. So for benzene, I have to put this benzene into the UV chamber. Similarly, in test part, and again we have to go for a run. So you can see that this benzene is also now running. So in this way we can determine the lambda max of all possible solvent. The major solvent which are used in UV visual spectrophotometry can be determined by using water as a reference. Thank you.